everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I have an easy, delicious recipe for you guys. I'm going to make turkey meatballs with bacon and cheddar cheese. Limited ingredients. I'm going to also use 1 packet of ranch seasoning mix, 1 egg, cheddar cheese. I'm going to spray that pan because it says to use the recipe I found, use a ribbed baking sheet, which I normally would line that with parchment or foil, but I'm going to go ahead and use the ribbed baking sheet alone, but I'm going to spray it so it'll be easy cleanup. And the recipe also said use vegetable oil, but I'm trying to be more heart healthy these days, so I'm using olive oil, 1/2 cup of panko breadcrumbs, 1 egg. I'm using ground turkey. You can also substitute this with chicken if you like, or pork. And it's also 1/2 cup of bacon. I've already microwaved my bacon. So I'm going to go ahead and get everything set up. Your girl's going to cook these about 15 minutes, it says, or 20 minutes at 400 degrees Fahrenheit. I have the oven already heating, so I'm going to go ahead and put you guys on pause and get everything set up so I can get these in the oven. Okay everyone, let's get cooking. I've got my bowl here. This is turkey, and I wanted to tell you guys the recipe that I found. It was called cracked chicken. I really didn't want to use chicken because I already have a chicken recipe on my channel, so that's why I chose to do turkey, because I don't have a turkey meatball recipe. This is 1/2 cup of cheddar cheese, and that was 1 egg. And then it says 1/2 cup of bacon. Well, I didn't really measure it. I cooked what bacon I had left, so I'm just crunching this all up in here. And I probably should have started with the dry stuff first, because now my hands are all gross. But yeah, you crunch up 1/2 of, that's my oven, it's now at 400. And I'm gonna open the ranch seasoning. Get that open. Now the recipe also that I found only asked for 2 tablespoons of the ranch packet. And when I made this the first time, I did use chicken, and it wasn't seasoned enough, so that's why I'm using the entire packet and not 2 tablespoons. And then it asked for 1/2 cup of panko and 1 tablespoon of oil, because chicken, wow, really didn't play out well. Here we go. I have to wipe this off with Lysol. Chicken and turkey are very dry, and also you want to make sure, I'm using a tablespoon of olive oil. You want to make sure that you season this well, because beef has its own flavor, and so does pork. Well, chicken and turkey are rather bland, so if you don't add anything to this, it won't taste like anything. So I'm going to go ahead and get this all mixed up, and then you can form some meatballs. Now these are really, really good. I love appetizers. I'm one of those people that if I go somewhere and they have appetizers out, I lose it, because I like a variety, to have a lot of different options and choices. And with appetizers, you usually get that. So, as you see, this mixes up really good. And yeah, the 2 tablespoons of ranch just was not enough for the chicken, so I figured at least I knew for sure you would need the whole packet for a pound of meat for the turkey, because you want them to have some flavor. And then I've got my little scooper here. Soapy water, and roll these out. I really don't want them too big, and I don't want them too small. This scooper, I'm gonna buy a new scooper, because to me they're kind of small, but it make a bunch of them. So as you see, I'm just scooping these out random size using my little scooper and rolling them into little meatballs. And they have chunks of chicken. Chunks of bacon and cheddar in here. Now me, if I was making these just for myself, I probably would have added some jalapeno peppers to this, just to make them a little bit spicy. But since my husband will also be eating these, he doesn't do spicy foods. So as you see, this is fairly simple. I'm just rolling these up into little bitty meatballs. So I'm going to go ahead and get all these made. It's supposed to make about 40 or 50, and I'll come back and show you what they look like. Okay everyone, here's the last meatball. I ended up with 28 little bitty meatballs, and I wanted to mention, if you didn't want to use pork bacon, you could definitely use turkey bacon, and for the smoky flavor, you could add a drop of liquid smoke. So I'm going to go ahead and turn the camera around, get these in the oven, and these are supposed to cook for 15 to 20 minutes at 400 degrees. Be right back. Okay everyone, I've got them on the top shelf of my oven at 400 degrees. We're gonna go 15-20 minutes, and then in the instructions said, or the recipe, if they weren't as brown as I like them, I could put them on broil. So we'll see how those turn out. And I do have my meat thermometer because we need to be at 165 for turkey. And if you like this video, please like, subscribe, and share. You guys know I tell an inspirational insert an inspirational quote, and I tell two, well, I upload 2 videos a week. I include an inspirational quote, and I always tell a controversial joke. So I'm gonna put you guys on pause, close this door, and set the timer, and then we'll come back and see how these turn out. Okay everyone, there they are. They took about 25 minutes, and I did have to go ahead and put them on broil to get them the right color, but they are at 165 degrees, and that's what you need in order for turkey to be safe. So I'm gonna go ahead and put you guys on pause, turn the camera around, set up for some pictures, and tell you guys a great joke. Okay everyone, here's the final product. These are bacon cheddar turkey meatballs. So let me tell you my joke. A man and a woman who had never met before found themselves assigned to the same sleeping room on a transcontinental train. Though initially embarrassed and uneasy sharing a room, they were both very tired and fell asleep quickly. He in the upper bunk and she in the lower. At around 1 a.m. the man leaned down and gently woke the woman, saying, "Ma'am, I'm sorry to bother you, but would you be willing to reach into the closet and get me a second blanket? I'm awfully cold." She said, "I have a better idea. Just for tonight, let's pretend we're married." "Wow, that's great," he explained. "Good," she replied. "Get your own damn blanket." After a moment of silence, he farted. Oh, okay, that's my joke. I thought it was pretty funny. If you like this video, please like, subscribe, and share. And like I said, as you know, I upload 2 videos a week. Usually on somewhere between Monday and Tuesday, and almost always on Friday or Saturday. So please like, subscribe, and share. And also I'll be doing more giveaways. I just recently gave away a Coach bag, and that's popping up, and it shows in one of the videos the person who won it. My editor was nice enough to go ahead and do that for me, which I'm eternally grateful. So you guys might want to hit that subscribe button. I have more giveaways coming, great jokes, and delicious recipes. So anyway, thanks for watching. God bless, and have a good evening.